Are you a professional woman looking to shed fat and find out exactly how many carbs you can eat while still reaching your goals? In this video, we will explore the optimal carb thresholds for different women based on their specific needs. Whether you're dealing with diabetes, you're active, or you want to shed pounds, understanding your carbohydrate intake is crucial. Hi, my name is Lesha, and I help women shed fat with a clean keto and carb cycling lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of carbs to uncover the secrets of optimal carb intake while shedding those unwanted pounds. In order to find out how many carbs you can get away with eating and still shed fat, you need to find your personal carb threshold. The concept of carb threshold refers to the personalized level of carbohydrate intake in which you can maintain steady blood sugar levels, achieve your health goals, and optimize your overall well-being. As a professional woman, you understand the importance of personalized approaches. Just like you tailor your strategies in the workplace, your nutrition also needs a customized touch. This is where your personalized carb threshold comes in. This unique combination of carbs is what works best for your body, energy levels, and overall well-being. It's important for you to discover your own carb threshold rather than relying on generic numbers from online macro calculators for several reasons. The first is bio-individuality. Every woman's body is unique, and what works for one woman might not work for another. Factors such as genetics, hormone levels, and insulin sensitivity influence how your body processes carbohydrates. The second is metabolic health. Women's metabolic health can vary widely. Conditions like prediabetes, diabetes, or insulin resistance require careful management of carbohydrate intake to maintain steady blood sugar levels. The third is activity level and goals. Women engaging in different levels of physical activity have varying energy requirements. Active women engaging in intense workouts or demanding physical activities need more carbs to fuel their bodies and support performance and recovery. On the other hand, non-active women or those looking to shed fat may have different carb needs. Then there's personal preferences and sustainability. Discovering and fine-tuning your carb threshold allows for flexibility and sustainability. It enables you to incorporate your preferred carbohydrate sources into your diet while still achieving your health goals. Personalized carb thresholds provide the freedom to create a balanced and enjoyable eating plan, promoting a long-term adherence and overall well-being. Now that you know the factors that determine what your personal carb threshold should be, I want to give you general guidelines for carb intake. These are general, okay? For professional women managing prediabetes or diabetes, balancing your carbohydrate intake is key to maintaining stable blood sugar levels and promoting weight loss. Here are the recommended carb thresholds for you. If you have diabetes, I would recommend that you limit daily carb consumption to 75 grams. This moderate restriction helps prevent sugar spikes and promotes weight loss. This is not keto, this is just overall carb threshold. If you have diabetes, aim for a daily carb intake within the range of 50 grams consistently and monitor your blood sugar levels. This is going to be crucial for managing your condition effectively. Now let's talk about another group of amazing women, those who may not be super active but still want to shed fat. Don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon to reach your goals. I have a fantastic strategy called carb cycling with a ketogenic approach just for you. It's like having a secret weapon. Here's the recommended carb threshold for you. You can cycle with keto and consume up to 130 grams of carbs per day, but you have to be careful and make sure you work with a professional. By maintaining a moderate carb intake, you provide enough fuel for essential bodily functions while still encouraging fat loss. Last but not least are my active ladies. You're like the real life superheroes with all the amazing activities you do. Here's the recommended carb threshold for you. Depending on the intensity of your activity, you can consume up to 175 grams of carbs per day. This higher allowance ensures optimal energy levels, muscle recovery, and performance while still supporting fat loss. Now remember, these are just general guidelines. If you want to know how to find your exact carb threshold, I'd love to chat with you about my Clean Keto Carb Cycling program. This program will help you find your personal threshold and teach you how to reach your fat loss goals without giving up carbs. Check out the link in the description to book a complimentary call with my team and I. Finding the right balance of carbohydrates for your body and goals is essential to becoming a true master of your own health destiny. Whether you're managing diabetes, are active, or just seeking to shed pounds, understanding your carb threshold is key. Remember, for those with prediabetes or diabetes, it's recommended to stay within 50 to 75 grams per day. Non-active women can cycle with keto and aim for around 130 grams per day, while active women can consume up to 175 grams per day based on their activity levels. By tailoring your carb intake to your specific needs, you can optimize your health, shed pounds, and achieve the body composition you desire. And remember, if you need personalized help with this, let's hop on a call so I can help you implement this on your own journey. I'll see you in the next video.